Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to remove vertical bar and split data in Excel. So let's start this my Excel, and here you can see I have data in one column. So here I'm going to split this data into multiple column and also remove this vertical bar. Okay. So first simply select the entire column and press the Ctrl F to remove the vertical bar. Here the find and replace dialog box is open. Then click on the replace tab. In find what, enter the vertical bar. So enter in keyboard your vertical bar, and you can see the vertical bar is showing. Okay. In the replace blank and click on the replace all, and that's it, all finished. We made 40 replacement. Click on OK and close this dialog box, and here see your vertical bar is removed. Okay. Then next I'm going to split this. Simply select the entire data. Go to the data tab. In data tools group, click on the text to column option. And here the one dialog box is open. Convert text to column wizard. Choose the file type that best describes your data. So I select here the first delimited. After that, you can check here the preview of selected data. Then click on the next. And here you can see again, you can check here the preview of this data. Okay. Then click on the space option, and you can see the line is break between this data, and your data is split in different column. Okay. After check this preview, just click on the next and click on the finish, and that's it. Your data is split in different column. Okay, so this is a way you can easily remove the vertical bar, and after that you can split data in different column in Excel. Hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.